Hello there, Dr. Steve here, and I'm sitting here with another one of our superstar patients, Teresa. And Teresa and I were just talking about her progress with chiropractic care, and she is kind enough to be willing to share that. And so, Teresa, what was the thing that brought you into our office originally?
The original thing was tingling and numbness in my arms, both arms up to my shoulders, that would actually wake me up in the middle of the night, and I would have to try to get out of bed without the use of my hands because they hurt so bad, and wait for it to pass. And this went on for years.
Yeah. And so we met it's been about 4 months ago, right?
Yes, April 9th.
And right from the beginning, you got some pretty good results.
Oh, the very first adjustment, it completely was done. I have not had a sleepless night since the very first adjustment.
And then it got better, right?
Oh my goodness, everything has gotten better, everything. After my first adjustment, I realized when I was backing out of my parking spot that I didn't realize until then that I actually had to turn my whole body to look. And I was pulling out and just turned my neck and looked and burst into tears because I didn't even realize that I was limited in that until I did it. And it was amazing. And from that point on, it's been so many things. The seafood allergy. I had a seafood allergy for 15 years. I actually, after I had my son, is when I developed it, and it just stayed.
That was about 2 months into care, if I remember right.
Yes. Yes. Actually, it was May 24th. It was a month. Oh, I remember the day I came in here.
I remember when you came back from vacation.
Yes.
You were so excited.
And it was actually that May 24th that I ate. Yes. And I've been eating it all summer. I mean, in excess.
What you were
enjoying
missing,
it.
Right?
Oh my gosh, for 15 years. And I know that is completely because of coming to you and the treatment, and it's been wonderful. And then just yesterday, which is August 13th, after my adjustment, my vision improved. And I don't wear glasses for driving or anything but reading. But laying there, after the traction, I was laying there and everything was brighter and crisper, and I kept lifting my head up, and there, you have a sign, and the lettering is large, so I could read it, but it wasn't blurry at all. It was as if it was right here, and I was thinking, is that even possible? Seafood allergy was healed by it, so absolutely, and it stayed with me.
And that's exactly what we were saying, right? Mm-hmm. We were saying that it seems impossible, right?
It does.
Like I said to Teresa just now, I said, most people wouldn't even believe this. That's why we're making
Correct.
This video.
Absolutely. Right? Because I wouldn't have. I was thinking, back pain, arm pain, chiropractor. I wasn't thinking every area of my life.
Which is exactly what most people think about.
Right.
But what most people don't know is that chiropractic can help people with all types of other health problems, because we know that your brain and nervous system controls, coordinates, integrates, regulates everything that happens in your body. And so when there's interference to those nerves, it can cause all kinds of things to not work properly.
Absolutely.
And when we remove that interference...
Yes, that's the result. And it's been constant since April, since I've come here. It's been different things that I didn't even know that I was kind of like in bondage with until I could do it freely. And I'm like, oh my goodness. So it's
so exciting.
It's exciting. And it is, and every adjustment is different. And it touches something else or improves something else. It's amazing. The vision thing, certainly the seafood allergy was a complete surprise. The more I educated myself, I started thinking maybe, but when it happened, I was like, it was wonderful. And then the vision is just the latest.
It's awesome.
Since April.
So if you're watching this video, or I should say to you, Teresa, what would you say to somebody watching this video, sitting on the fence wondering, I wonder if chiropractic can help me or not? What would you tell them?
I would tell them absolutely make the first move. Absolutely call and have a consultation and see and give it a try. Because people spend so much time and energy going to, their primary doctor and the doctor giving them this medication or that medication. Let's check back in 3 months, when you can go to a chiropractor and possibly see results from the very first time.
And we really just don't know until we look under the hood.
Right, absolutely.
And we check the spine and check the nervous system.
Mm-hmm. And that I was very impressed with, was the x-rays to see actually what was going on in there. So it was, had a visual to see that this is not the way it should be, this is the way it should be. So absolutely. most wonderful experience.
So whoever you are out there, if you're
That's right.
watching us today
That's right.
and you're
Call.
wondering, give us a call. We would love to be of service. You can call the office at 410-461-3435 or check out our website, worldclasschiro.com, where you'll find lots more testimonials and
Yes.
information to
Yes.
satisfy your curiosity. Have a spectacular day from World Class Chiropractic.
Yes.
Thank you, Teresa.
Well, thank you.
All right.